Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi surati Yunus, إنما مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض مما يأكل الناس والأنعام حتى إذا أخذت الأرض زخرفها وزينت وظن أهلها أنهم قادرون عليها أتاها أمرنا ليلا أو نهارا فجعلناها حصيدا كأن لم تغن بالأمس كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يتفكرون. Translation: The example of the life of this world is like that water which we send down from the sky. So it is absorbed in earth for growth of vegetation and plants with it, of which humans and cattle eat, until when the earth takes its adornment and decoration and grow beautiful, its inhabitant tillers feel and think that they have power to masters or control over it. Then our command comes by night or in the day, and we make it harvested clean, mown as if nothing had flourished yesterday. This is how clearly we explain the revelation for the people who think. Some scholars have said that when the water comes from the sky, there is growth from the earth, and it is a combined nourishment for the animals and plants. For example, in wheat, the grain is eaten by humans, and the green part, stalks, and the leaves are eaten by the animals. Similarly, in trees that have fruits, usually the fruits are eaten by human beings, and its leaves are eaten by the plants. Wallahu alam. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is in total control of growing these crops, and when the crops are ready, the tiller or the farmer thinks that they are in complete control of it and they will harvest and they will get benefit from it. But suddenly we see that by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, sometimes there is a calamity falls on the crop, like the hail or like the storm or something that can completely destroy the crop, and those who were thinking that they were in control of it get nothing out of it. Hazrat Shah Sahab has given a very delicate explanation of this ayah, that just like the water comes from the sky, the soul of human being comes from the sky, and the body comes from the earth, and both are united and a human being is formed. And then the human being start getting all the knowledge and information and skills, and he becomes adult and grows into a man or a woman with all the benefits of the life. He does the actions similar to animals, and he does the higher actions of a human being as well. And when he is functioning at its peak, sometimes we see that he dies suddenly and everything is finished instantaneously, as he never lived in this life, and his chapter is completely closed forever. So just like that crop that was vanished from the face of the earth, a human being vanishes as well and takes only his actions with him. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and save us from the punishment of hellfire. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.